Today you're gonna learn an easy, yummy recipe of pork satay. It's my #1 menu I love to make whenever I have guests coming over. It's easy to share and it's a good opportunity to have fun with them in front of the grill. Hello guys, sawadee ka. Welcome back to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. For those who are new, my name is Pam. Nice to have you here. I share Thai recipes every week, so if you like Thai food, make sure to subscribe to get notifications when I upload new recipes. Starting with our pork, I just put in the freezer to make it a bit harder so it's easier to slice. As you can see the grains here, we are going to cut against them so we don't have chewy pork satay. And on the left, the grains go the other way, so I'm gonna separate them first. And now slice thinly against the grains, about 1 to 2 millimeters and about 4 to 5 centimeters long. Today I'm using ribeye, but you can also choose loin, tenderloin, shoulder, or it doesn't even need to be pork. You can also use this recipe with chicken or beef. Now we have this beautiful piece with some layers of fat everywhere. Love it. Okay, leave it in the mixing bowl or Tupperware, and now let's make the marinade. Toasting coriander seed until it turns a bit brown because we want to bring out that aromatic fragrance. And grind them. If you can't find coriander seed, you can use coriander powder instead. A half teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon curry powder, and this is where the yellow color comes from, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, a bit of salt, a half tablespoon palm sugar, black pepper to taste, and this is optional seasoning powder. Oops, we only need a half teaspoon. Now we put the first cup of coconut milk. Mix them all together, and you can use the spoon to help palm sugar melt easier. Then we are going to put in the mixing bowl. Keep massaging and you'll see that the pork will absorb all the marinade, which is what we want. And then add another cup of coconut milk and mix them again. Close the lid or wrap it. Marinate in the fridge overnight if you have time, but if not, I'd recommend at least 3 hours. Before skewing, soak the skewers in water for at least half an hour so they won't be burned on the grill. But if you grill in the oven, this step doesn't matter. Then you want to go like sewing, up and down. And here we go, finally, let's grill. During grilling, applying coconut milk time to time to keep it moist and even gonna be more tender. I'm having my friend Carmen helps me grilling. Thank you, Carmen. Lovely family we have today, and we have an awesome time together. Alright, they look ready. Let's serve. But wait, we're still missing something here. When we have satay, we cannot miss the peanut sauce and Ar-Jad or pickled cucumber. I already put the link in the description so you guys can check it out as recipes. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and see you guys again next recipe. Have a good one. สวัสดีค่ะ